Good morning, and welcome to another LinkedIn Minute with your friend and LinkedIn coach, Matt Scher. Do you remember the good old days before we had COVID-19 issues when we used to have lots of networking opportunities? I do. But as you know, some things have changed. Thanks to the changes that have occurred because of COVID-19, we're seeing more people interact with each other through channels like Zoom, but also through LinkedIn. And so today, what I want to do is show you how to make a virtual introduction to someone using LinkedIn. To me, the first step in making a virtual introduction is to locate the messaging bar, which is located on the top of your LinkedIn profile, as shown here. Once you've done that, then the next step is to click on the messaging feature as shown in this graphic. As I'm showing you in this slide, which is got a green background, this is where you put more than one name in the messaging tab. Notice how I put two names, Aaron Leroy and Michael Brownfield. Do you remember that Aaron Leroy and Michael Brownfield were the two people featured in the LinkedIn message? Well, this is how I'm going to introduce Aaron to Michael. And after introducing Aaron to Michael, I will now take the next part of the message to introduce Michael to Aaron. Notice in both cases how I had it tie back to the reason for the introduction. Thanks for watching this video. Please share your thoughts on how we might help other people learn how to connect through LinkedIn and other virtual channels. And if you are in need of a speaker or presenter for one of your organizations, please contact me at LinkedIn. Thanks so much.